In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the bank transfer payments method. So the first thing we have to do is we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select payments. So here we are going to choose our continent. For this example, I'll choose Europe. So you can see the list of available payment methods we have. So we go ahead and select the bank transfer payment method here. We click on the edit button. So here we are going to provide the bank details. So this will be our bank account detail. So we enter it here. I type the name as Dennis Joe, right? So for the bank account number, so we add the bank account number. All right. So for the bank name, let's say the bank name, sorry, we call it Southern Bank. All right. So after we have added, we can add additional bank details if we have one. Maybe we can say, for example, we can come down here and say for dollar transaction, use, sorry, let's type it in small letters, say for dollar transactions, use the bank details below. So we can add another bank detail here. This is for the foreign clients, so you can add your local bank and your foreign bank here, details here. So this can be for another bank, so we set it as so this is Northern Bank. So we can do it like this. So for example, if maybe you have different bank accounts for different currencies, you can list them here. So after adding your bank account details, so we go ahead and set the total. Though this will be the order total that the customer's order must reach. So for example, we set 1 here. So what this means is this payment method will be active if the checkout order total is 1 and above. So for this section, we set the order status. So this will be the order status that will be assigned to a customer's order if the customer uses this payment method. So it is recommended you set it as awaiting payment, because this will be used with the payment confirmation module. So we'll come to that later. So we set this as awaiting payment. We leave the geo zone as all zones. Enable the status here. Set the sort order number as 4. And then save. All right. So now we have set up the bank transfer payment method. So the next thing we have to do after setting up the payment method, we have to proceed to set up the bank confirmation module settings. So to do that, we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select stores. So here we are going to edit our store general settings. Click on the edit button. So in the settings page, we click on the options tab here. So we scroll down to we find the payment confirmation settings. So you can see it here. So this works with the bank transfer payment method. So you can see that for the first setting, we have to ensure that we select the other status that was set for the bank transfer payment method. So we select awaiting payment. We can also choose any other status here. So what this does is, as it's written here, so the customer's order must reach this payment order status for the bank confirmation module to be active. So we go ahead and set it as awaiting payment, and then we can also select pending. So we select these two, awaiting payment and pending. So once we do that, we save. All right. So going back, let's go back to the bank transfer payment method. So you can see that we have set this as awaiting payment. And coming back to the store general settings, scrolling down here. So under confirmation, payment confirmation, we have set this as awaiting payment. So we have to take note that the settings here is in line with the bank transfer payment method order status settings. So for the next one, we leave all this other, so we leave it as it is, and then we save again. All right, so now that we have completed the settings for the payment confirmation, let's go ahead and do a test order in the store front end. So we select, say we select this product, add it to cart. All right, proceed to checkout. Select the delivery method. So in the payment method section, you can see that a new payment option called paid with bank transfer has been added. So we select it and proceed. So in the confirm order section under the bank transfer instruction, you can see that the bank details we added earlier has been listed here. So once the customer makes the bank transfer, customer will then proceed to click on the confirm order button. All right. So you can see that the order has been placed, and then we will now proceed to fill the payment confirmation form by clicking the continue button. All right. So in the payment confirmation form page, so you can see we can now, if we have done the bank transfer using the details, we proceed to fill the depositor's name here. So we fill the transfer dates as today. So the amount should tally with the amount that the other total amount. So we say $120. We can upload the payment slip if we have any here, but it's optional. So here we tick the order we are paying for. So we now add a comment here. Paid into Southern Bank, paid amount into your Southern Bank account. So after filling the comment, we click on the submit button. All right. So it says that the payment confirmation will be verified and the order will be processed. So we click on the continue button. So after we have filled that, let's go back to the admin panel. So to view the order, we navigate to the store management section, select sales. So here we select orders. All right, so you see that for that order, the status payment confirmation received has been set since the customer filled the payment confirmation form. So we go ahead and then click on the view details here. All right. So we can then proceed to verify the payment and then update the order status. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up the bank transfer payment method. Thank you for watching.